Hey guys, it's Max from HighOnAndroid.com, where we get on Android every day. Anyway, I wanted to talk about some of the recent changes with Samsung, rooting, and custom ROMs. Let's go and take a look. Alright, so first of all, I know a lot of you are following my older Samsung rooting guides, and you're falling into this trouble like there's a guy on the forum with the Galaxy S8, and he's following my older 8.0 guide, maybe on Pi or 10.0. And he's running into a problem where he's trying to install the root, and he's getting basically cock-blocked by Samsung. So what's happening is I made these perfectly working guides that works 100% on 8.0, and 9.0 comes out or 10.0 comes out, and Samsung starts adding cock blocks, basically blocking that root method. Now that's why I might not even make rooting guides for the future. Instead, I might just show you how to install a custom ROM, because when you're trying to root the stock firmware, you have to just bypass Samsung's basically quirks, basically root checks, and every time there's an update, Samsung likes to create new cock blocks. And as a tutorial writer, tutorial maker, video maker, it frustrates me because every iteration I'm gonna have to make a new video or a new tutorial and my old video is not working. So a better way to approach this is to show you guys how to basically install TWRP recovery and install custom ROM. That way you can still get root through a custom ROM that's very similar to stock ROM, and you won't be cock blocked even if Samsung blocks it. Because the cock blocks from Samsung only happens with stock firmware. Now that's the beauty of custom ROM. We just strip out all the Samsung security checks and we install TWRP, we install custom ROM, and we never have to worry about Samsung's new cock blocks. So I think it's a really choice of, do you want to just work with root or do you want to install a custom ROM? So at this point in my life, I want to really make my life easier, make your life easier. I don't want to have to deal with this new Samsung cock blocks, and that's another reason I'm really not liking Samsung these days. They're always trying to make up things to ruin our custom experience, and I think that's terrible on Samsung's part. So if you guys want to bypass all that root checks, instead of rooting, it's the same process as rooting. After you install TWRP and boot into TWRP, alright, delete data, reboot into TWRP, and install a custom ROM. Alright, I'll have a universal guide for all the new Samsung phones, so you can just bypass it and install a custom ROM that already has root, or maybe you just want a custom ROM. Most of the time I don't even actually root the phone, I just install TWRP and install a custom ROM because I want to actually enjoy the custom ROM. I don't really care about the root part so much. Anyway, I'm going to work on those tutorials here in my quarantine mobile office, and if you get the gist of it, you can probably figure it out. Just install TWRP, reboot into TWRP, wipe everything, reboot into TWRP, install custom ROM, and boom, you don't have to worry about all this root checks and stuff. And I'll look for some ROMs that are very similar to stock or stock firmwares that have all this security checks disabled. Because I'm trying to root all my phones on Android 9 and Android 10. It's just like, why am I even trying to root? Why am I trying to bypass Samsung when I can just install a custom ROM? You know, set it and forget it. Anyway, let me know what you think, and I'm going to be working on those things right now here in the quarantine mobile office. Have a great day, and as always, stay on Android.
Click here to subscribe.